guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Necee. Welcome. Be sure to show your girl some support by hitting that subscribe button as well as giving this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make homemade baby food. My son is currently 6 months old. He's actually about to be 7 months in a few days. Probably gonna be 7 months by the time you guys are watching this video. He doesn't have any teeth yet either. We actually do a mixture of baby purees and baby-led weaning, but that's a whole nother video within itself, so I'm not gonna get into that. But if you guys want to see a video on like what my baby eats in a day or any other baby related videos, definitely let me know by leaving me a comment down below. I'd be happy to film other baby related videos and just incorporating more resources for us moms and dads out there. I know that probably the biggest thing when it comes to homemade baby food for parents is that they may just have such a busy schedule and they just don't have time. But I'm telling you, you do have time. You just have to make time for it. Honestly, it only takes about an hour to prep, puree, and store your baby's food. And in just 1 hour, you can honestly make a whole month's worth of food for your baby. Basically, the reason why I decided to make homemade baby foods for my son was 1, homemade food tastes way better than store-bought food, and 2, store-bought foods mainly have like preservatives and other added things in there to make sure that they can withstand like the shelf life. So by me making it homemade, there's no preservatives, and third, definitely costs less. So yeah, with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so for the homemade baby foods that I'm going to be making today, these are going to be the items that you will need. Some of these fruits or vegetables are frozen. However, you are welcome to get fresh fruit and cut them up, which I have also done here on my cutting board. But anyways, I have some organic mangoes. I also have some organic pineapples, organic peaches, broccoli, spinach, green beans, carrots, and then on my cutting board here, I just have some green apples, 1 avocado, 2 bananas, 1 kiwi, and a few strawberries. Alongside that, you will either need some baby water or you are welcome to use breast milk or formula, and then just a blender. You don't have to get like a baby blender or whatever. You can honestly just use your own blender. So the first combination I'm going to be making is spinach and banana. So I like to just do like literally a whole banana. Now for this one, I'm going to do more banana than spinach just because my son loves bananas and I kind of want to like do like a hidden veggie type thing. So I'm just going to put a little bit in there, and then I'm just going to splash just a little bit of water in there. You can kind of eyeball it. You just want to make sure that obviously the consistency is good. You'll know if you need to add more water or whatever, if it's like too thick. So like as I can see there, it definitely needs some more water. So I'm just going to put in some more water. And that's that one. Now, how I like to store them, I didn't buy any of those like baby food storing containers or anything because I had a bunch of these containers here. This I actually got in like a set from Walmart, I believe. It has more bowls and stuff like that too, and I think it was only like $20, and you got a good like arrangement of sizes. You got like these little small babies here, still small but like kind of medium small, and then these like medium ones here. And I do like to label them so I know like what's in it, obviously. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that in here. All right, for this next one, it's a pretty iconic duo, and it's apples and strawberries. So I just have, I think about like 5 strawberries here that I just cut up into some pieces. And then I'm just gonna do 1 apple. I have 2 apples here, so I'm just gonna do half of that. Oops. And then again, I'm just going to add some water, because that's definitely gonna need some. That one. For this next one, I'm going to do avocado and mango. And I'm just gonna do a whole half of this avocado here. And I'm gonna do some mangoes. I love mangoes. And again, I do want to mask the avocado, even though that it's a fruit, but it's green. Perfect. Alright, the next one that I have is apples, carrots, and mangoes. Alright, I'm definitely going to add some water to this because the only thing that has some type of juice to it is the mango. The apples are hard and then so are the carrots. And this one's a little chunky, but like I said, I like to do purees that aren't just all smooth. Just scrape the rest of this out. My son actually loves carrots, so he's actually not that picky at all. The only thing that he doesn't really eat is peas. This next one, I'm going to be doing spinach, green beans, peaches, and 1 kiwi. Perfect. Now, the last one that I'm going to be doing today is broccoli and pineapples. Ooh, this one's a resealable bag. Alright guys, so here's the finished product of everything. We have our spinach and banana here, strawberry and apple, mango, avocado, spinach, green beans, kiwis, and peaches here, apples, carrots, and mangoes, and then we just have broccoli and pineapple here. Alright guys, so that's it. If you guys were wondering why I left these out, I have half avocado, 1 banana, and then some green beans. That is because I'm actually going to feed Carson in a few. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to mash up the banana and avocado together in a bowl, and then I'm just going to give him these green beans as is. That way he can get a little bit of both, like I said, the puree and the baby-led weaning. But yeah, so that is it. These are the finished product of all the homemade baby foods that will definitely last me for the month. So yeah, those are the homemade foods that I'm currently giving my son. And yeah, as he gets older and I start implementing more types of foods into his diet and things like that, I'll definitely be sure to make another one of these videos if you guys are interested. Again, leave me a comment down below of any other baby related videos you guys would like to see me do. I do want to start incorporating more like baby and family oriented videos. So yeah. Carson's up now, he's making noise, I think he's hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and feed him, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!